Welcome to Local BD Talks. In this video, let us see about Civilian Awards of India. Civilian Awards of India are conferred to common men for showing distinguished work in their field. Any civilian who has shown great achievements in their field of professional work are considered eligible for this award. The Civilian Awards of India are Bharat Ratna, Padma Vibhushan, Padma Bhushan and Padma Shri. These awards have a degree of reputation and honor. All these awards are conferred by President of India on the Republic Day. All of these awards were started from year 1954. All of these medals are produced at Indian Government Mint of Calcutta. Bharat Ratna is the highest civilian award of the country. It is also known as Jewel of India. This award is conferred for achievement in the field of science, arts, literature and public services. In the year 2013, sports category was also included in this award. This award is in the form of people leaf, about 5.8 cm long, 4.7 cm wide, with 3.1 mm thickness. It is of toned bronze. It is embossed with a replica of sun 1.6 cm in diameter, below which the words Bharat Ratna are embossed in Devanagari script. On the reverse side, the state emblem and the state motto Satyameva Jayate also in Devanagari script. The emblem, the sun and the rim are of platinum. The inscriptions are in bronze. The recommendation of Bharat Ratna are made by Prime Minister to the President of India. The number of Bharat Ratna is restricted to a maximum of 3 in a year. The second highest civilian award in India is Padma Vibhushan. This award is given for exceptional and distinguished services in any field like science, arts, public services, including the service rendered by government employees. This award has the circular shape with a geometric pattern embossed on the circle. The diameter of the circle is 4.4 cm and the thickness is about 0.6 mm. There is a lotus flower embossed on the circular shape. The word Padma is embossed in Devanagari script above the word and Vibhushan, which comes below the lotus flower. On the reverse side, the state emblem and motto is inscribed in Devanagari script. It is of toned bronze. The inscription Padma Vibhushan geometric pattern and the border around the periphery are in bronze. All the embossing on either side of the decoration is in white gold. This award was started in the year 1954. Padma Bhushan is the third highest civilian award of the country. This award is given for distinguished services of a high order in any field including services rendered by government employees. It has the same design as the Padma Vibhushan. This award is also started in the year of 1954. All the embossing of either side of the decoration is in standard gold. Padma Shri is the fourth highest civilian award of India. This award is given for distinguished services in any field including the services rendered by government employees. The name of the decoration is embossed in Devanagari script with the word Padma above the lotus and Shri which comes below the lotus. The geometric pattern on either side and the border around the periphery are in bronze. All the embossing on either side of decoration is in stainless steel. This award also started in the year 1954. The total number of civilian awards to be given in a year should not be more than 120. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel.